We've come to the end of this incredible culinary journey. Over the past 12 weeks, we've unlocked the secrets to culinary confidence, building a strong foundation through 3 essential skills. Skill 1. Mastering the art of flavor. We've delved deep into the world of taste, understanding how to harmonize the 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. It's been amazing to see how a touch of acidity, like a squeeze of lemon juice, can brighten the rich flavors of a dish. And a pinch of sugar can do wonders to mellow out tartness. The course has taught us the importance of tasting and seasoning throughout the cooking process. Understanding that herbs and spices are like individual notes that play together in a symphony of taste, we've learned to trust our palates, identify what a dish might be missing, and confidently add the right elements to create the perfect balance. Skill 2. The power of proper knife skills. We've realized that knife skills are more than just a chef's party trick. They are an essential tool for creating perfectly cooked food. From dicing onions to mincing garlic, each cut has its purpose. We've learned that precise knife work ensures even cooking, preventing some ingredients from being overcooked, while others remain undercooked. But it's not just about the end result. Using sharp knives safely is crucial in the kitchen. We understand now that a sharp knife requires less force and is less likely to slip, making it safer to use. As we've practiced our knife skills, we've seen how important this fundamental technique is in cooking. It's like learning a new language. The better we become at controlling our knives, the clearer and more precise our results are in the kitchen. Skill 3. Cooking with confidence. Temperature control. We've demystified the often confusing world of temperature control in cooking. Understanding the difference between low, medium, and high heat is so important. And we've learned how to manage the heat to transform raw ingredients into perfectly cooked food. Now we know that a gentle simmer is key to tenderizing tougher cuts of meat. While high heat is essential for creating that desirable sear on a steak, we've learned to trust our senses, observing our food, listening to the sounds of cooking, and using tools, like thermometers, to ensure both food safety and optimal results. This newfound confidence extends to all areas of cooking, giving us the ability to adapt recipes and techniques with ease. Putting it all together, elevate your everyday meals. The best part of this journey has been seeing how these 3 skills come together to transform simple ingredients into extraordinary meals. By understanding flavor, mastering knife skills, and controlling temperature, we've elevated our everyday cooking. From a quick weeknight stir-fry to a comforting bowl of stew, we're ready to tackle any recipe with precision and flair. The confidence we've gained through this course is invaluable. It's not just about following recipes. It's about understanding the principles that make cooking both an art and a science. As we continue to explore the world of cooking, we know that these skills will serve as the foundation for everything we create in the kitchen. So thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Remember, the most important ingredient in any dish is always love. And with these skills and a dash of love, we can create culinary masterpieces in our own kitchens. Happy cooking, everyone.